Hello, you beautiful Poke people. I'm Anthony, presenter of the Grand Pokemon. Here today with yet again another Prismatic Evolutions ETB rep. This is part 8. Let's see if we can get anything cool. The coolest card might have been the whatever the first form of Lucario is. Don't know his name. Should I even learn it? Don't know. It's supposed to be dope. But I'll tell you what, there's a Lucario, whatever his name is, in Pal World. He's pretty cool too. He got stuff done. Here you go. Whether you deserve it or not. And you know what? Don't care for it. Electric power. Here we go. Milk stank. Some pink thing. Don't know. Black belt. Something. Lion dude. Pyro or whatever you call his name. Lucky pot of gold. Some trainer. That white tall dog. I think I got this dude before. Yet another one. Not a Pokeball. Oh, there's Whimslut. Those are my cards. Pack 8. Prismatic Evolutions. Like, subscribe. If you get the same trash that I get, join my channel so we can have the journey together of this Pokemon world. Thank you. Have a good day.